Imagine this: a tiny, but mighty, guardian for your precious vaccines. The Elitech Vaccine Fridge Data Logger GSP-6 is just that. It's like a watchful eye, constantly checking the temperature inside your vaccine fridge. This isn't just any thermometer. It's a super smart one. Furthermore, it uses Bluetooth and wireless technology, so you can easily see the temperature on your phone. Moreover, it connects to a system called the RCW800W. This combination offers real-time monitoring. Therefore, you always know if your vaccines are safe. It's truly a modern marvel. Think of it as a trustworthy friend. This Elitech Vaccine Fridge Data Logger GSP-6 never stops working. It records all the temperature data. Thus, if there's a power outage, you'll know. You can also see temperature trends over time. Additionally, this is vital for maintaining vaccine effectiveness. It prevents costly spoilage. The digital display is clear. Hence, anyone can read it quickly. Also, the setup is quite straightforward. You don't need to be a tech wizard. Instead, follow simple instructions. It brings immense peace of mind. Overall, the Elitech Vaccine Fridge Data Logger GSP-6 is a wise investment. It's like a shield for your vaccines. It ensures they stay potent. Furthermore, the real-time alerts are invaluable. They act like an early warning system. Consequently, you can react swiftly to problems. This unit is reliable. It is also accurate. Ultimately, it protects public health. So, if you're serious about vaccine storage, consider this device. It's a small price for such critical protection. Pros: Bluetooth connectivity, easy data transfer via app, clear 3.3-inch display, large data storage. Capacity: highly accurate temperature probe, prevents inaccurate temperature data. Wide temperature measurement range, dual power options, ideal for vaccine storage, great for cold chain logistics, high customer satisfaction rating. Features: Bluetooth connectivity, wireless monitoring, real-time data access, vaccine fridge specialized. Digital temperature display, data logging function, audible alarms, cloud platform access. USB data export, long battery life. This Elitech device helps you keep an eye on the temperature inside a vaccine fridge. It can connect wirelessly and through Bluetooth, letting you see the temperature right on your phone or computer as it happens. It's built specially for vaccine fridges and shows the temperature on a screen. The device saves temperature information over time and will make a sound if the temperature goes too high or low. You can also look at the data on a special online platform. Save it to a USB drive. And it has a long-lasting battery. The Elitech GSP-6 Bluetooth Data Logger and the RCW800W. They are great for monitoring vaccine fridges. These devices use Bluetooth to easily send temperature data to an app. They both have clear displays and can store a lot of data. They use accurate temperature probes to make sure readings are correct, which is important for storing vaccines safely. These loggers can measure a wide range of temperatures and can be powered in 2 ways. People really like these devices for keeping an eye on vaccines and other items in cold storage.